I'm Kate Hunter, and I had my downstairs toilet refurbished by Liberty. Well, they all arrived on time, as at the time I expected, which was good, and they cleaned up after them, they didn't make a mess, and they were friendly, and they certainly enjoyed an occasional cup of coffee with me, if that was okay to do. I had a number of installers because there was quite a lot, although it was a tiny little room. I needed joiners, and I needed plumbers and tilers, and I think that was it, joiners, plumbers and tilers. And as I say, they explained what they were doing, and because it's where it is in the house, you know, I had to make sure that I didn't get in the way because it's really in an awkward place in the house between the front and the back doors, and also keep my dog out of the way because he was very interested in what was going on. I think I'm like a whole lot of people. I really don't like it when I've got people working in the house because you never know what to do with yourself while they're there, but they didn't interfere and intrude at all in what I was doing in the house. And I just found them nice and friendly and chatty, and obviously were making a nice job. And I think they had one or two problems that they weren't expecting, but they dealt with that without sort of saying, oh gosh, this is awful, or, you know, this is not what we expected. So, and just got on and sorted it out, which was great. Oh, I definitely would recommend Liberty if I was needing anything else done. I can't think well, my bathroom upstairs is a possibility at some point in the future. Oh, I'm delighted, absolutely delighted. I think it's beautiful. I mean, I know it's just a downstairs toilet, but it's the most glamorous room in my house.